the sights, the colors, the food. It was all things jammed on the annual celebration of Jamaica Day. The theme, Celebrating Jamaica, Promoting the Arts. The Ministry of Education declared a greater focus on the cultural and creative industries, showcasing the skills, talent, and aptitude of the Jamaican people.
Today is the day when we begin to engender in our students and the nation the recognition of the cultural and creative industries as being among the fastest growing economic drivers in Jamaica.
The center of all the Jamaica Day activities was a technical high school in St. Mary. Welcome to the Richmond Valley Resort and Spa. Well, actually, it's the St. Mary Technical High School, but it has been transformed into a hotel for the Jamaica Day National Celebrations 2016.
Welcome to Richmond Valley Spa and Resorts. Please, can you sign our guest list?
All nations have their celebration, and every nation has their inspiration. This is the time for a happy meditation.
Created in a spirit of romance, sweet and full of so exotic, so opulent, so decadently romantic. The Richmond Valley Resort and Spa has named this the Bird's Nest.
We're gonna get funky.
This area is the unlocked yoga and gym. This is where they do physical activity, workout, get your body fit.
There was even a spa and salon run by the cosmetology students, and a gaming lounge known as the Palladium. Of course, we can't forget the scrumptious three-course meals prepared by the food and agro-processing students and served to guests at the resort. Such creativity.
It's all about serving drinks and how to interact with customers, guests, and it's called agro-food processing because we process whatever is planted at the farm.
We want to encourage the creative and entrepreneurial spirits of our people. We have chosen St. Mary Technical because it is one of the technical high schools across the country. It signals our emphasis on technical vocational education.
We are skilled in the performing arts, we are skilled in the creative arts. We have electrical installation, we have driver's ed, we have clothing and textile, we have all the skills because we are a STEM academy and we are a technical high school in the full sense of a technical high school. Skill is important. Skill is money, skill is power.
And some of the other skills showcased on Jamaica Day flowed from the technical work of students who make furniture and other items.
From grade 9 coming up with, we have been making saving box, picture frame. Grade 11 we did, as you can see, bedside table and quite other few things. Instead of you going to a store to buy an item, you can design it your way. Anything you want, you can, like this bedside table. This is made out of Moya, and this is my friend's work. He designed everything on it. And if you were going to go to the store and buy something like this, maybe you wouldn't get everything how you want it.
I can do the hair, I can do manicure, pedicure. That's why I choose the subject cosmetology. This society, you actually need money. And getting a skill, you can get a job to provide for your basic needs actually. That's how important getting a skill is.
Our Jamaican students shining bright, showcasing their creative prowess, showcasing why we as Jamaicans are simply the best.